You can easily find relevant research papers by typing keywords or titles on Google Scholar or PubMed. If you find a paper you would like to cite, simply click on Cite. The reference file will be downloaded. Now, open your Mendeley Desktop on the top right corner. Click on the Add option and upload that downloaded paper into your Mendeley library. Next, open your draft in Microsoft Word where you want to insert the citation. Go to the References tab in the toolbar, then click on Insert Citation. After that, type the author's name, select the correct paper, and click OK. Your citation will automatically appear in the document. You can also change the referencing style, for example, APA, Harvard, or even a specific journal format directly from the Mendeley options. The best part is that your entire manuscript will update instantly according to the selected style. Finally, to add your bibliography, just click Insert Bibliography and Mendeley will automatically create a perfectly formatted references.